Hey everybody, welcome back to another 2020 Toyota Tacoma video. Well, in this video I'm going to continue installing the LEDs for the reverse lights and the license plate lights. So let's get started. Tackling the license plate lights first. There's two ways you can go about this. You can either carefully pry out the lens and housing, or the easier way is you can just reach under and see if I can show it. There it is right there. Turn that, slide it out, put in the new LED, plug it back in. Here's the underside of a brand new truck. This is the first time in my life I've ever bought a brand new pickup truck. I've always bought them used, so it's nice to see what one looks like brand new underside. Let's get to work. This is the passenger side, and reaching up and unfastening this one was easy because there's room to get your hand up there. However, the driver's side, different story. Due to the way this thing has to turn, there's not a lot of room up there. So passenger side's in, and now I'll just screw it back into the lens and housing. Move on to the driver's side. All right, I was able to get my hand, if you didn't have a trailer hitch, this would be a lot easier, but you can get your hand back here to kind of, the most difficult part is getting it to line up, push it in slightly, and then turn it to lock it in place. So this side's done. I think the passenger side was a lot easier than the driver's side. The trailer hitch wiring is in the way, but you can still get back there. And with your two hands, all you do is gently, there it is right there, rotate it. I guess it would be counterclockwise, about a quarter of a turn. It pops out, stick the LED in, and take note, on mine the green wire is facing down, so that's the way you want to put it back. Anyway, enough of this, let's look at the result. All right, there they are. I know I didn't do an incandescent before, but take my word for it, there's a huge difference. But I'll show this at night. All right, in order to do the reverse bulb, you can see it in there, gotta remove the taillights. Looks like 2, maybe 3, I'm gonna guess 10 millimeters. Pop those out, and then I know that these are kind of held in with a friction fit. There's some clips, and you have to pop the light out where you can get to the reverse bulb. Let's get the sockets out. Those 3 10 millimeters removed, right there, there, and there. This is loose, and I believe you have to pull straight out, and the assembly will come out. That's a little unnerving. You got to pull really hard, which is not a problem, but once you do, it makes it sound like plastic is breaking, but all it really is are these tabs are being released from here, so don't be too afraid of it. Here's the reverse right here. Simple twist, pull it out. Pop this in. Okay, passenger side incandescent, driver side LED. Huge difference. All right, let's finish up. And check out those LED reverse lights. Wow. Nice and bright. Totally lighting up the ground behind. See the license lights? I know there's flare on the camera itself, obviously not in real person. Nice 6000K color temperature. Looks very modern. LASFIT wasn't kidding when they said that these were their new improved lamps for the reverse. They are insanely bright. So the driveway is all splotchy. It got rained earlier, but it's showing everything. Great result. I want to thank LASFIT for providing these, and the links will be in the description, so definitely don't hesitate to check out these LASFIT LEDs. Great quality. You won't be disappointed. So until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.